Selling Zapier automation involves demonstrating its value in streamlining workflows, saving time, and improving efficiency for businesses. Here's how to effectively sell Zapier automation. Identify pain points. Understand your potential clients' pain points and challenges in their business processes. Highlight areas where automation can provide solutions. Customize solutions. Tailor Zapier automations to address specific needs. Show examples of how automation can eliminate manual tasks, reduce errors, and enhance productivity. Demonstrate benefits. Showcase the benefits of Zapier, such as integrating disparate systems, automating data transfer, triggering notifications, and maintaining consistency across platforms. Provide use cases. Present case studies or examples of successful implementations where Zapier has significantly improved workflow efficiency and business outcomes. Offer training and support. Assure clients of ongoing support and training to help them understand and maximize the potential of Zapier automation. Quantify ROI. Calculate and demonstrate the return on investment clients can expect from implementing Zapier automation. Highlight cost savings from reduced manual labor and increase operational efficiency. Start small, scale up. Recommend starting with simple automations and gradually scaling up as clients become comfortable and see the benefits. Follow up and iterate. Stay engaged with clients, gather feedback, and iterate on automations to continuously improve and expand their use of Zapier.